Good morning Year 5. It's going to be a really quick tutorial on how to do long division. Now, we've done this lots and lots in school, so most of you should be okay, but it's a bit of a refresher, if anything. If you are somebody who thinks, I've not done long division, and you'll know when you watch me do it in a minute if you've done long division before, then that's because you've been sticking with short division in school. I think you should try the short division questions in the 1-star challenge. If you're doing long division, I think you should try 2-star or 3-star. No longer than that. No lower than that. So first of all, I'm going to drop my anagram. That is Dracula must suck blood. Remember how we always remember it. And that means divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And we had a little bit of, we had an R on my class, so we said repeat, because then you go back to the top and you try it all again. But you don't have to worry about that. It's David's class if you're not sure what I'm talking about. It just means that you repeat the whole process again. So step number 1 is going to be divide. So 22 goes into 2. Now I can't do that, it's 0 times. That's my divide step. How many times does 22 go into 2? I can't do it. Now I go to multiply. 0 times 22 is 0. Now I go to subtract. 2 take away 0 is 2, and I bring down my next number, which is 1. That's my bring down step. Now I'm going to repeat it. Now I'm doing 22 into 21, still can't do it. So 0 times 22 is going to be 0. That's my multiply, 0 times 22. Subtract it, it's still going to 21. Now I'm going to bring it down. Bring down my 5. Now I've got 22 into 215, so I'm back to the top again. I'm repeating it. So 22 into 215. I know I'm going to need to draw out a fact box. So what I'm going to do is draw out a fact box and then off camera, otherwise I'll take forever. Okay, so I've drawn up my fact box. It's going to help me throughout this question. Probably should have done that first, really, if you're not quite sure. And if you're not sure for example, 1 times 22 is 22, add 22, add 22, or do a short multiplication to help you fill that out quickly. Now, one thing I did notice was 10 times 22, I know that if I times that 22 by 10, it gives me 220. So close, but I'm going to need one before it, which is 198. So I know that 22 is into 215, 9 times, now do a multiplication, 9 times 22, 198, and now I subtract. So 5 minus that I can't do, make that 0, make that 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 0 minus 9 I can't do, make that 1, make that 10. 10 minus 9 gives me 1. 1 minus 1 gives me 0. So I'm left with 17. Now I bring down my number. The next step, which is 0. So now I'm looking at how many times does 22 go into 170. Back to my facts box. Oh, it can't be 8, that's 176. It's going to have to be 7. Multiply. Because 22 goes into 170 7 times, that's my divide step. And then I'm multiplying 7 times 22, remember it was 154. Now I subtract. 0 minus 4 I can't do, that's 6, that's 10. 6. 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. And I've got 16 left. Now 22 can't go into 16, therefore I know my answer is 97, remainder 16. If you're feeling confident, pause the video and have a go, check your understanding, and then I'm going to go through it in a second. If you're not quite sure, then just stay watching. So again, I quickly drew out fact box up to 10 times 14, because that's what I'm dividing by. I'm going to write out my little thing to help me. Dracula must suck blood. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Okay, let's get cracking. 14 into 9. is 0. Therefore, 0 times by 14, it's done the divide, 14 into 9, now it's multiply. 0 times by 14 is 0. 9 minus 0 gives you 9, bring down. Now it's 14. Now a lot of my class always tend to forget to write that number in. So when you bring it down, you must write the number in. 14 into 98, I look at my thing, oh, 7. 7 times by 14 gives me 98. Still going to take subtract it to follow my thing. Gives me 0. And down my 7. 14 to 7 is 0. 0 times by 14 is 0. Run that space. Gives me 7.